Okay, so I just had an issue with a rear view camera on a 2016 Volvo XC60. When I shifted into reverse, the camera did not show on the screen. So all you have to do is go to that menu right here, and then you have to go to camera menu right there, and then we have a rear view camera. And then I click OK, and then we come to the camera menu, and this was not checked, so I had to check this box, auto reverse activation, and yeah, now just go back, and then the camera will work. So very easy for anybody who has the same issue. Very easy to resolve.